concept, probability, chance and probability. What is probability? See, if I am asking you a question, will it rain today? So you will just see and tell, it may rain or it may not. There is a chance. There is a probability of raining. Okay, there is a chance of raining. We can't tell a sure thing that it will rain today. We can't tell, or it will not rain. That also we cannot. There is a chance of raining. Okay, so that is it. Probability tells the degree of uncertainty. It measures the likelihood that an event will occur. Okay, it may occur or it may not. It may rain or it may not. Okay, now next is random experiment. If the result of the experiment is not known, then it is known as random experiment. Okay, I am tossing a coin. Will it be head or it will be a tail? Yes, but I don't know whether it is a head or tail. I don't know the result. So if the result of the experiment is not known, then this is known as random experiment. I don't know the result. That is, it will come as head or tail. Like another example is that if I throw a die, okay, dice I am throwing. So it is having many numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I am just throwing the die, then what number will come? I don't know. Yes, it may come as 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, 5 or 6. Okay, I don't know the result. That is random experiment. Next concept, outcomes. When we do an experiment, then there could be different result. These possible result of random experiment are called outcomes. Okay, when we do an experiment, there could be different results. These possible result of random experiment is called outcomes. Okay, when we are doing an experiment, just I am tossing a coin. What are the result? It can come as head or it can be a tail. These are the two result. Okay, when I am tossing, it can be a head or it can be a tail. So these answers, head, tail, these are the outcomes. Okay, if I am throwing a coin, that is a dice, what are the points there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be there in the dice. So when I am throwing a coin, dice, what are the results? It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, 4, 5, 6. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the outcomes. Okay. So let us see example. There are two possible outcomes when we toss a coin, that is head and a tail. These are outcomes. Head. The result is what? It is a head. It is a tail. That is the outcome. Okay. Now in the case of dice, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4 or 5 or 6. These are the outcomes when we throw a dice. Now what is this equally likely outcomes? Equally likely outcomes, that is, if every outcome has the same possibility of occurring, these outcomes are called equally likely outcomes. If we throw a dice, then there is an equal chance of every number to come while doing the random experiment. That is, a die has the same possibility of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is, when we are throwing a dice, can we tell that only 2 will appear? Or can we tell that only 3 will appear? Or 5 will appear? Can we tell a surety? No. It can be 1 or it can be 2 or 3. There is equal chance for all the number. There is equal chance. There is no greater chance for 1. Always a greater chance for 6. No. Each number is having equal chances to appear. This type of outcomes are called equally likely outcomes. Each number is having equal chance. That is equally likely outcomes. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all numbers, these all outcomes can come equally, equal chances only for all the numbers. Okay, this is equally likely outcomes. Hi children, let us see exercise 5.3. It is about probability. Okay, so the first question, list the outcomes you can see in these experiments. Okay, so what is the first experiment? Spinning a wheel. A wheel is given here, the picture is given. That is, an arrow mark is there which is pointing to B, and A, B, C, D, and one more A is there. Okay, so this is a spinning wheel. Okay, so when you are rotating the spinning wheel, what will be the outcomes? What can be the answers? So tell me, what can be the answers? Yes, it will be A, it can come as A, or it can be B, or C, or D. So what are the outcomes? A, B, C, D. Okay, 4 outcomes. Okay, see here the answers. There are 4 letters A, B, C, D in spinning wheel. So there are 4 outcomes. Okay, now second question. Tossing 2 coins together. So I am tossing 2 coins together. I am having 2 coins. I am tossing 2 coins together. So what I am getting? I am getting as, I will just show you. I am getting like tail and tail. Okay. Same way again I am tossing the coin. Okay. So now I am getting 1 tail, 1 head. 1 tail, 1 head. Again I am tossing the coin. Then I am getting as 2 heads. Okay. Again I am tossing. Then I am getting here 1 head, 1 tail. So these are the outcomes. Okay. When I am tossing 2 coins, what are the result I am getting? That are the outcomes. So let us see the answer. When 2 coins are tossed together, there are 4 possible outcomes. That is, head and head came, head and tail can come, tail and head can come, and tail can come. Okay, we saw how when you tossed the coins. Okay, now next question is about the dice. Okay, when a die is thrown, list out the outcomes of events of getting. Okay, so what are the numbers in the dice? Let us see now.